up and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you're all keeping safe. Please be sure to keep safe. The coronavirus is still out there, so yeah, be safe. So guys, today's video I'm going to be bringing you guys this really vibrant pastel colored yellow makeup look. We're slowly heading, or we're already in summer, and yeah, I wanted to play with some bright colors. So yeah, so anyways, onto the look. I've applied my base, which is my Snazara white face paint, and I went into my Tammy X and Patricia Bright palettes with the yellow color, and also my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. So that's just to add a little shimmer to it. So once I'm done applying those two colors, I'm just sharpening the line and cleaning it up. Now I'm going into my Missmetics lashes in the shade Charm. I didn't apply any eyeliner for this look because I didn't really think it was necessary. So yeah. So anyways, once I'm done with that, I'm going back into that Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, and I'm just using that to highlight my brow bone. Now popped on my lashes. Now time for the face. I did most of the face off camera because I'm sure you guys have seen my face routine like a gazillion and one time, so I'm definitely sure you guys were not in the mood to see that. So yeah, I'm just going to now move on to the eye again after I've done with the face. So guys, I am just applying some studs on the eye. I wanted, because I felt like the eye look looked very plain, so I wanted to just add a little like drama to it. So I had some studs laying around, and yeah, I decided to add some studs to the makeup look to make it pop, to make it look really glamorous but simple. So now to finish off the eyes, I went in with my Snazara white face paint again, this time on my lower lash, and then I am going to be applying the yellow shade from the Tammy X palette all over the white. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going into the Paula Beauty pencil, or the Paula Beauty eyeliner pencil in white, and I'm applying that on my waterline. So just to make my eyes a little clear, because I think some particles of the eyeshadow got into my eyes, I had to go in with my eye drop, my Vicine eye drop, just to clear my eyes, make them brighter. So yeah, so now I'm going to my BH Cosmetics Ultimate Artistry palette, and I'm going to use that shade to just highlight my inner tear duct, just to make the eyes pop a bit more. Then going back into my Fenty Beauty, we are going to highlight to the gods. We're gonna highlight and glow to the gods, because we don't want to be trophy wise, but we glow. So anyways, I'm going into my OA Cosmetics mist, and I'm going to just set my face, and yeah fam, this is the entire look. So this look was inspired by Divine Obialo. She actually, kind of asked to do a fruit-inspired makeup look. So this look is actually dedicated to her, because, and I really enjoyed it. So my fruit inspiration for this look was a lemon. So later on, I did a lemon face paint. Much later on, I didn't add the face paint process to this video because it was too lengthy, but yeah, later on you'll see the lemon face paint on my face. So thank you Divine for this. So yeah, so I paired the eyeshadow look with 3 different looks, and yeah, this is my entire video guys. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.